In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make header only on first page in LibreOffice. If you want a header to appear on just the first page of your LibreOffice Writer document, this is a simple way to do it using page styles. The key thing to understand is that LibreOffice controls headers through page styles. So instead of manually trying to remove the header from other pages, you'll assign a special style to the first page and then enable the header there. Start by opening your LibreOffice Writer file. Once your document is open, click anywhere on the first page so LibreOffice knows that's the page you want to work with. This is important because the page style you apply will affect the page where your cursor is currently placed. Next, press F11 on your keyboard to open the Styles sidebar. You should see the Styles panel appear, usually on the right side of the screen. This panel gives you access to different formatting styles in the document, including paragraph styles, character styles, and most importantly for this task, page styles. At the top of the Styles sidebar, click the Page Styles icon. It's the fourth icon from the left. This section shows the available page layouts you can apply in your document. Find the style called First Page and then double-click it. This tells LibreOffice that the page where your cursor is placed should now use the first page style. After that, stay in the same sidebar and locate first page again. Right-click on it and choose Edit Style. A settings window will open. In that pop-up, go to the Header tab on the left side. Here, check the box labeled Header On. This activates the header area for that first page style. Then click Apply, and after that click OK to confirm the change. Now move to the top of the first page. You should see the header area available there. Click inside it and type the text you want to appear. You can also format that text however you like, whether that means adjusting the font, size, alignment, or spacing to match the rest of your document. Because you enabled the header only in the first page style, the rest of the pages will remain without that header, which is exactly what you want. And that's it. You've successfully added a header only to the first page in LibreOffice Writer.